we all important breakfast is. As the first meal of the day, it sets the tone for what we crave later. If you're trying to get fit or lose weight, you want your breakfast to be filled with foods that can help you stay on track. Even if you don't have a ton of time to cook in the morning, there are a number of easy breakfasts that can help with weight loss. If you need some healthy food ideas, try these 7 healthy breakfasts for weight loss. 1. Avocado Toast Avocado contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, which can help get rid of belly fat. Research also shows that people who add avocado to their meal feel more satisfied and less hungry later in the day. This avocado toast is topped with tomatoes and a balsamic glaze drizzle for extra flavor as well as nutrients. 2. Oatmeal. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can help with weight loss as well as fight belly fat. This pumpkin pecan oatmeal recipe can be made the night before, and it's filled with antioxidant-rich pumpkin and good-for-you cinnamon. 3. Green smoothie. Consuming a smoothie filled with vegetables and fruit can help you up your fiber intake, which will help you stay full and supports weight loss as well. The more greens, the better, but you can add in some banana and lemon for extra flavor. 4. Mini Egg Frittatas. Eggs are one of the most perfect weight loss breakfasts, as they're low in calories and high in protein. One study even found that eating eggs helped people lose more weight than when compared to eating a non-egg breakfast with the same number of calories. These mini frittatas can help with portion control, and you can make them to last you for the week. 5. Smoked salmon. Eating salmon can help you lose weight, as it reduces insulin levels as well as inflammation. This smoked salmon lavish wrap is hearty enough to keep you full, but it contains whole grains and good fats that can help you stay healthy. 6. Broiled grapefruit. Eating a daily grapefruit can help with weight loss as well as reduction of insulin levels. So you don't get sick of a plain old grapefruit each morning, switch your breakfast up with a broiled version. Top with honey, spices, or even banana for extra flavor. 7. Almond Butter Bliss Balls. Like avocados, nuts contain monounsaturated fats that can help keep weight gain at bay. One study found that people who add nuts to their diet have a lower risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome. Make these bliss balls at the beginning of the week, and they're perfect to bring for a busy, on-the-go morning.